In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new Google Sheet, install the Sheets 2G Cal add-on, and import Google Calendar event data into your spreadsheet. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for this task. Using the correct account from the beginning helps avoid confusion later, especially when you're installing add-ons and connecting calendar data. Once Chrome is open, go to Google Sheets and create a fresh, blank spreadsheet. This gives you a clean workspace so your imported calendar information stays organized and easy to review. After the new sheet loads, take a moment to confirm that everything is ready. You should be looking at the standard Google Sheets grid with empty rows and columns. Starting with a blank file is useful because it prevents imported event data from overlapping with any existing content. If you plan to work with multiple calendars or compare schedules later, you can always duplicate this sheet or add more tabs after the import is complete. Next, install the Sheets 2G Cal add-on script extension from the Google Workspace Marketplace. In your Google Sheet, open the extensions area and go to add-ons, then choose the option to get add-ons. This will open the marketplace where you can search for Sheets 2G Cal. Once you find it, begin the installation process and follow the prompts on screen. Depending on your account settings, Google may ask you to review permissions before the add-on can be used. Read through those prompts carefully so you understand what access is being requested. Then continue until the installation is complete. And when the add-on has been added successfully, return to your spreadsheet and make sure it appears in your extensions or add-ons menu. This confirms that the tool is available inside the sheet and ready to use. If it doesn't appear right away, refreshing the page can help the extension load properly. Now import your target Google Calendar events data directly into the layout grid of the sheet. Open the Sheets 2G Cal add-on from the menu, then use its import feature to pull in the calendar event list you want to work with. Select the appropriate calendar data source, confirm the import, and allow the add-on to place the event details into the spreadsheet cells. Once the process finishes, review the imported rows and columns to make sure the event information has landed in the format you expect. At that point, your calendar data is now inside Google Sheets and ready for sorting, filtering, or further planning.